I'm here at one of the machines in our El Paso facility, and the head of maintenance has asked me to change out this old receptacle for a new CR20. I'm going to go get one right off the production line and make the change. So now that I got my CR20 right off the production line, I want to make sure that power is off to this receptacle and off to the machine. So I'm going to go ahead, grab this trusty black and white plug and connector, disconnect the power, then I'm going to take my tester. I see that the receptacle is off, and now I'm going to go ahead and remove the faceplate with my flathead screwdriver. So I've gone ahead and removed the faceplate, and now I'm going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, remove and unwire the device. So the next thing I want to do is go ahead and put a hook in my black wire, my hot wire. I'm going to go ahead and take that wire and make sure I connect it to my brass terminal. Now the reason you put a hook in the wire is because I'm going to go ahead and side wire it, and I want to hook it around the terminal screw. And then I'm going to take my Phillips and tighten the screw down. And the reason you put it clockwise is that the wire will actually tighten around the screw. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with my white wire or my neutral wire. I'm going to go ahead, connect it around the silver terminal screw, and I want to make sure that the hook is going clockwise again, so that when I tighten the screw, it tightens the connection. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with my ground wire on my green screw, or my ground screw. So I've gone ahead and finished making all of my connections, and before I mount the device, it's always a good practice to take a piece of electrical tape and wrap the device covering the terminals to ensure that you don't have any unwanted connection with the side of the box or anything in the box. So now I'm going to go ahead and push my wires in, get my Phillips, and I'm going to mount the device. So there we go, just putting the final turns on the faceplate, and look at that, looks good. A brand new CR20. Now all I need to do is go ahead, restore power, plug in my black and white connectors, and we're good to go. It looks like the head of maintenance needs to throw me a parade.